Alright, we're gonna make the new EarlyBird Hazelnut Espresso Martini morning cocktail. This is the same amazing ingredients, just a new, different flavor, and it is so good. So first, make it a little fancier than normal. And add a scoop of the EarlyBird to my cocktail shaker. I already have it full of water. And add the lid. Give it a good shake. And add some ice to my cup. See how this is. Ooh, look at that color. Cheers. Oh my, this is so good. I'm gonna be making this every single day. This is amazing.